Hello friends, welcome back on this YouTube channel. I am Professor Saurabh Naik taking a next session under the discipline Geology. Our today's topic is dip and strike. In this session, we'll learn basic definitions of structural geology, outcrop, dip, strike and different types of dip. Let's see what is meaning by the structural geology. Structural geology deals with morphology, classification, mechanism and causes of development of rock structures. Structural features that are developed in body of rock during its formation stage called primary structure. All the modification of original structures and development of form, shapes, etc. in rocks after formation called as secondary structures. Structural geology is a scientific discipline that is concerned with rock deformation on both a large and a small scale. Its scope of study is vast, fault and fold system of the earth crust. The next concept is outcrop. Exposure of solid rock on the surface of the earth. Solid rocks are not exposed everywhere on the surface of earth, mostly covered with thick or thin loose deposits called alluvium. Rocky outcrops form when bedrock is exposed at the earth's surface through erosion, a process which may take millions of years. Heat, water and chemical reaction shape the exposed rock, resulting in a wide range of characteristics and complex rock formation. The next topic is dip. Maximum angle of inclination of a layer of a rock with horizontal. Degree of inclination and direction of inclination, that is a dip. Amount of dip is the angle of inclination which a bedding plane makes with a horizontal plane, and it is vary from 0 to 90 degree. Dip is the acute angle that a rock surface makes with a horizontal plane. Look at this image. Horizontal plane and inclined plane are connected with an angle of 60 degree. That 60 degree is called as a dip angle. Next, strike. The line of intersection of a horizontal plane and a bedding plane. A strike and dip refers to the orientation of attitude of geological features. The strike line of a bed, fault or other planar features is a line representing the intersection of the feature of a horizontal plane. Look at this image. The horizontal plane and inclined plane are intersect at a one particular line. That line or that intersection is called as a strike. There are two types of dip, basic two types of dip according to their angles. First one is true dip. When dip of layer is measured in a direction that is essentially that is at a right angles to the strike of a particular layer. The true dip is the steepest line that can be drawn on an inclined plane measured in terms of inclination from the horizontal and its bearing from north, and when used in a conjunction with unit length it can be considered a vector quantity. That means in true dip the angle between horizontal plane and vertical plane is nearly equal to 90 degree. Apparent dip. When dip of layer is measured in any other direction which is not at a right angle to its strike direction called as apparent dip. In short, the angle between horizontal plane and inclined plane or bedding plane is not equal to 90 degree, or it is less than 90 degree, or it is other than 90 degree, then it is called as a apparent dip. Apparent dip is the inclination of geological beds are seen from any vertical cross section are not perpendicular to the strike of the geological bed. Image A, left hand side image, is a true dip. Angle alpha is 90 degree. Image B is an apparent dip of angle alpha dash. It is not equal to 90 degree. Types of dip. There are three types of dip according to their angles. First, primary dip. Original slope of deposition is in between 5 to 10 degree. If the dip angle is 5 to 10 degree, then that particular dip is called as a primary dip. If an angle is near about or may ranges up to vertical, that is a 90 degree, it is called as a secondary dip. And third, local and regional dip. Rock exposed in limited area of observations may be primary or secondary dip. Means a local or regional dip is a in between primary to secondary, that is the angle in between 10 degree to 90, in between 90 degree, it is called as a regional dip. So here we end up this session with the remarks that dip is an acute angle between horizontal plane and inclined plane or bedding plane, and strike is the intersection line between horizontal plane and bedding plane. Thank you